In this video, we will learn about normalizing and stemming. What is normalization? Normalization is when you have to transform a word to make it appear the same way. Let's make a variable and save some words. First, let's import NLTK. Import NLTK. I'll make one variable text1 and I will save some words. Work, works, working, workings, work. Here you will see that the first word work is starting with a capital letter. Let's execute our code. Let's print our variable text1. We have words in different forms such as capitalized, plural, verb, and so on. First, we will make all the words lowercase. I'll call our variable text1 and then I will call the method lower. In the output, you can see that the first word work, it got converted into lowercase and all the words are also into lowercase. We will split the words after converting to lowercase. So I will call our variable text1, then lower, and then we will split it on space. So we will type split and then space. Let's execute our code. In the output, you can see that our sentence work, works, working, workings, and work got split into words, and this is the first word, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. All the words are separated by comma. We will save this result in a new variable. I'll copy this code from here. I'll make a variable words1. I'll paste the code and let's execute our code. Let's print our variable words1. In the output, you can see that we have saved this result in the variable words1. This is normalization, that is, we have normalized all the words. Now no words are like some words are in capital letter or in small letter, but now all the words are in the small letter. This is the process of normalization. The next is stemming. Stemming is to find the root word or the root form of any given word. We will import Porter stemmer to do stemming, but there are many other algorithms as well. I'll make one variable Porter. Now from NLTK, I will call port stemmer. This is a function for stemming. Let's execute our code. So we have saved the port stemmer class in the variable Porter. This is an object of our port stemmer class. And now I will run a for loop. I'll make a list comprehension. Then I will say Porter dot stem. So I have called this object Porter, and from this object I am calling the method stem w for w in words1. So here I am writing a loop here. So I am saying that from the object Porter, call the method stem, and then for w in w words1, in this variable words1, apply it. Let's execute our code. In the output, you can see that now all the words are work, 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 and work. Earlier we had work, works, working, workings, and work. No matter whether it is work, working, or anything, it will give you the stem of the word, that is the root of all this word. And if you see, the root of working is work, the root of working is also work, the root word of work is also work. This helps you to count the frequency of word work occurring how many times in a sentence. This is how stemming works. This video was about normalization and stemming in NLTK. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.